packaging. Deal packaging is an incredible strategy that can cause you to have a financial breakthrough in a shorter space of time. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. You're about to experience some information that might just change your life. Like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. See you on the other side. Hi guys, so what is deal packaging? Deal packaging is an incredible strategy that can cause you to have a financial breakthrough in a shorter space of time. What I like about deal packaging is if you have no money, if you don't have a lot of time, you can still earn as a deal packager. Now again, it's not easy, but it's simple if you follow the process. A deal package is really simple. What you do is you go out there, you build relationships with agents, landlords and developers. And then on the second side, on the other side, you go out there and you build relationships with investors, or you build relationships with entrepreneurs, or you build relationships with people that want to get into the property market. Now, you can start to see how it works. You've got the deals here, you've got people who are looking for the deals here, and the market says, if you find me a deal that I couldn't find myself, I'm happy to pay you for doing that work. That's how we earn as deal packages. Essentially, our job is to go out into the marketplace, do all the negotiation, make sure both sides are happy, and we put them together and we can generate a fee of £1,000 to £5,000 for each of those deals. My question is, how many of those deals do you need to do to be able to replace your income? Think about it this way. In the service accommodation market, where we find deals for our clients, we can go out there and build consistent relationships with landlords, agents and developers. They offer us deals. We analyze the deals. We make sure it's a good deal. And we go back to our clients and we say, hey, you wanted this specific deal. We've got this deal here and we're charging you £2,000 for this deal, or we're charging you £3,000 for this deal. And the client says, amazing. Let me have a look at those numbers. Let me just do my due diligence. If everything stacks up right here, then they are happy to take on this deal and pay us a fee for it. And all you've got to do is do maybe one of these, maybe two of these, maybe three of these per month. And how many do you need for a financial breakthrough? Deal packaging, in my opinion, is one of the greatest strategies ever, because it means you have less liability, but it means you get to earn big chunks of cash in a shorter space of time. And all you've had to do is pick up the telephone, or go into an estate agent, or build a list of clients and developers and agents that have all these assets that your clients are looking for. Now, deal packaging varies. Now, there are certain things that you can deal package, such as you can deal package a development. You can deal package for service accommodation, you can deal package for rent to rent, you can deal package a flip, you can deal package a vanilla buy to let. There are so many things that you can deal package. All you've got to do is find a specific strategy that you want to focus on and build relationships with both sides. I'll catch you soon.